And start recording mga kalapida. Welcome sa isa na naman reaction video. Habang ang buong mundo, hindi pala, habang ang buong Pilipinas ay nagkakagulo sa 50 million luggage na hindi matapos-tapos yung issue, habang ang buong Pilipinas ay ang tawag dito, habang ang buong Pilipinas ay nagpapabango or nagda-damage control kung saan-saan para luminis ang mga pangalan ng ating mga politiko, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam may nangyayari na sa buong mundo. Ito na ba start ng World War III? Ito yung title, Breaking FBI warns attacks on US oil coming as Yemen declares war. So, eto na, pwedeng World War III. Bakit? Papasok na kasi ang Yemen. Gusto na rin makipaggera sa Amerika. Dun mismo sa US oil. Okay? So, pakinggan natin yung video na to. Tapos, saka natin, busisiin. Habang yung ibang tao masyadong busy sa chismis, yung ibang tao busy sa kung ano-ano, 'di ba? Kung eto na pala malapit na nang mangyari, eto pagtuunan natin ng pansin, 'di ba? Sa akin wala namang problema kung eto mangyayari na, 'di ba? It is what it is, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila. Kung yan na yung mangyayari, ito na yung World War III, anong gagawin mo? Pipigilin mo ba yan? Hindi mo mapipigilan yan. Bakit? Hindi naman tayo yung makapangyarihan para pigilan yan, di ba? Tapos yung mga kasangkot dyan, yan yung mga bansa na mahilig manakop at yan yung mga bansa na mga greedy rin. Di ba? Greedy na manakop. Kasi yung Pilipinas, greedy lang sa kurakot. So may pagkakaiba yun eh. Ang Pilipinas, greedy yung mga politiko sa kurakot. Yung mga makakapangyarihang bansa greedy manakop ng bansa na maliliit naman. Okay, so play natin.
The ongoing war in the Middle East has raised the threat of an attack against Americans in the United States here on our own soil.
Our country is
here on our own soil. Diba? Dun mismo sa Amerika na. Okay? Republican senators hold press briefing about state of crossings from US-Mexico border. Tignan nga natin.
Is really an increased threat for a terrorist attack.
In just the past few
diba?
weeks, multiple foreign terrorist organizations have called for attacks against Americans. We are addressing these threats with a sense of urgency.
Some pretty incredible.
Yun. Mga terorista nagjo-join force para kasi ito naman kung mga terorista, 'di ba, sinusuportahan ng mga bayan na halimbawa sa atin, 'di ba, kinokondena nga natin yung mga terorista, 'di ba? Sa atin mismo dito mismo sa Pilipinas. Pero ba't sa ibang bansa, sinusuportahan nila yung terorista ng sarili nilang bayan para maghasik ng lagim sa ibang bansa, no? Iba rin no? So ngayon pakinggan nyo muna.
Developing news coming out today as both the FBI director and Congress came out today and warned of attacks on U.S. soil. I'm going to share with you the video footage from both of these so that way you can see it for yourself. And let me know your thoughts. Do they know something that we don't? As both of them came out today and made these warnings. Take a look. Ray
warns of increased terrorist threat. Says U.S. in a dangerous period.
Warns of an increased terrorist threat. Says U.S. is in a dangerous period right now. And this comes with the breaking news unfolding today that Yemen...
Babagalan natin to para maintindihan natin. Kasi nakakahilo.
Declared war against Israel, and we're hearing that this could bring about World War III. Even more so, the tensions are getting high. Take a look. Yemen's Houthi rebels claim attacks.
Ayan, Yemen's Houthi rebels claims attacks on Israel, drawing their main sponsor, Iran, closer to Hamas war. Ayan, Yemen's Houthi rebels have for the first time claimed missile and drone attackings targeting Israel So, eto naman, yung Hamas, tsaka yung Yemen na Houthi rebels. Kita mo, lahat sila may mga kanya-kanyang terorista, no? Halimbawa, sa atin yung mga NPA or MILF, di ba? Sa kanila naman, eto, yung mga Houthi rebels, yung Hamas, di ba? Nakikipaggera na papuntang Israel. Ayun, Houthi rebels have for the first time claimed missile and drone attacks targeting Israel. So, meron na, di ba? Kailan yan? October 31, 11 a.m. Pwedeng ngayon yan o kanina. O kagabi. Di ba?
Calling their main sponsor, Iran, closer to the Hamas war. And we've heard Iran has been attacking the U.S. troops in this Middle East, and the U.S. is now attacking back. Iran.
Hamas lang nung una, ngayon Iran na, di ba? Iran tsaka Israel.
And has warned that the United States.
Yung Syria din, di ba? Kalaban na rin ng Syria. Syria nakisali na rin. Tandaan nyo.
Will not be spared from their fire if this war continues, and now Yemen entering the war. This brings Iran one step closer and the U.S. to a World War III. Take a look.
Hindi ko alam kung may mga may hirap dyan. Kasi lahat dyan, Yemen. May Yemen. Eto, katulad na itong balita sa ba't ko tinatawanan. Tangina, wala naman tayong magagawa dito eh. Wala tayong magagawa dito sa gantong gera. Diba? Yan nga yung sinasabi ko, putangina. Nagbablog ka na lang, bigla na lang may missile na nasasabog. Boom! May mga eroplano na nagliliparan dyan. Yung pala, air attack na. Hindi natin alam. Mukha nga nagsisimulaan ito. Ito, October 31, 4 hours ago. Kailan to? 12 hours ago. Sabi ko sa'yo kagabi. 12 hours ago, kaninang tanghali. Or umaga.
Look, Yemen's Houthis enter the Mideast fray, hardening spillover fears. And I'm going to share with you the latest video footage of the warning coming out from Yemen. And as I mentioned, also the FBI director and Congress's warning to the United States of attacks here on our soil. Now, I know that this is not the news that
our soil sa Amerika, para malinaw.
Anybody wants to hear, that we're one step closer to World War III and that
we're one step closer here to World War III. O, ayan. Yan yung mga matatapang, one step closer to World War III. Di ba hala kayo?
Potential terrorist attacks that could take place here in the U.S. But if you appreciate the updates, and I believe that knowledge is power, and you appreciate knowing what is happening, do me a quick favor, smash the like button, just takes a second. And if you want to stay up to date, it's totally free. Why not? Just hit the channel. I've added a join button, video footage of terrorist attacks in the U.S. Let's go ahead and take a look.
قامت قواتنا المسلحة.
Our Yemen Armed Forces, ayan na.
إطلاق دفعة
launch a barrage of ballistic and cruise missile.
والمجنحة وعدد كبير من
and numerous drones on various Israeli positions
في الأراضي
in the
المحتلة.
occupied
إن القوات
territories.
المسلحة
The Yemeni Armed Forces assures that this operation is the third of its kind in solidarity with our brothers in Palestine. And ano sabi? Is the third of its kind in solidarity with our brothers in Palestine. And we assure the continuation of such operations using missiles and drones until the Israeli aggression stops.
So that was
Tingin nyo, titigil din yan. Ubusan kayo ng lahi, mag-ubusan kayo ng lahi, hindi titigil yan.
Today. Now, we're going to look at the video footage of Congress and the FBI one here in just a second, but let's take a look at this article that's going to give us a little more detail. And as always, this is linked in the description below. The article says, Yemen's Houthi rebels, for the first time Tuesday today, claimed a missile and drone attack targeting Israel, drawing their main sponsor, Iran, closer into the ongoing Israel-Hamas war in the Gaza Strip and further raising the risks of a regional conflict erupting. The Houthis had been suspected of an attack earlier this month targeting
Israel by sending missiles.
By sending missiles and drones over the crucial shipping lane of the Red Sea. An assault that saw the U.S. Navy shoot down the projectile.
Ano daw? Of the crucial shipping lane of the Red Sea. An assault that saw the U.S. Navy shoot down the projectiles.
Israel, but now these other countries that are coming in and supporting Hamas in Palestine, now the U.S. will be fighting against them as well.
Ito kasi yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. 'Di ba? Yung pagdating sa Bible, ang sinasabi nila, yung Israel lang pinagtutulungan. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung Israel yung gumagawa ng gulo. 'Di ba? Yung Israel tsaka Palestine war na yan, yun din Israel yung 'di ba? Tapos sabi nyo, Holy Land. Holy shit.
Well, and we could be looking at World War III. And as I mentioned, we've heard warnings from the FBI director today and from Congress of potential threats here in the U.S. This article is going to be linked, but let's take a look at the video footage so you can see it for yourself.
Discussions about the most pressing national security threats, what we face and what we're doing to tackle them are always important, but it seems especially well-timed this year with the dangerous implications, the very fluid situation in the Middle East.
Things are intensifying. It's likely only going to get worse. Now, in addition to that, I also shared with you about a takeover. Share with you here on the channel, as a lot of people are saying we are edging closer and closer to World War III with the conflicts.
We are edging closer and closer and closer to World War III daw.
In the Middle East. Now, in addition to that, I also share with you some updates of attacks happening on U.S. campuses and protests taking place around the United States, and we're hearing
Kasi may mga Muslim din dyan sa sa US, mga Palestine, 'di ba? Kumbaga sa lahat 'yan, may Chinatown, may mga may mga Muslim area, may diyan, merong tawag dito, may kulyat diyan, kulyat, mga Muslim, 'di ba? So ayan, nagkakagulo na rin.
that things are intensifying. It's likely only going to get worse. Now, in addition to that, I also shared with you about
Napanood niyo si Zohan, 'di ba? Sana dumating si Zohan dito. Kasi yung si Zohan yung hero nila eh.
We're hearing that things are intensifying. It's likely
Zohan ba yun? Si yung kay Ben pangalan to, kay Adam Sandler.
Going to get worse. Now, in addition to that, I also shared with you about a takeover of an airport just in the past 48 hours in Russia as pro-Palestinian protesters overtook the airport and were going from plane to plane seeking out Israeli refugees. It was absolutely incredible, shocking footage.
Yun, mga kalapid, ano masasabi nyo doon? Habang yung iba nag-e-enjoy lang dito sa content ng Chismis, are we one step away for to World War III? World War III? Diba? O, di-enjoy na lang natin yung buhay habang nandyan. Kasi kung sakaling magkatotoo to at magdigmaan, GG. Diba? Basta ako, sabihin ko, mahal ko yung mga anak ko. Diba? Mahal ko yung pamilya ko. Yun yung importante. Diba? Kung wag matuloy, wag mo naman sana, 'di ba? Pero kung hindi mapipigilan, ano magagawa natin? 'Di ba? Masyado mapapride 'tong mga bansa na 'to. So, ano masasabi niyo dito, mga kalapid? Mas gugustuhin niyo ba yung mga politician natin dito? Panayang papogi, panayang gawa ng imbento, pagkatapos hindi nila napapansin, nagkakagulo na sa ibang bansa na pwede na mag-trigger ng World War III. Diba? Asan mga utak ng politiko natin? So, yun muna, mga kalapid, and stop recording.